What do you got for Mommy?
I don't know.
Oh, it's money, so I can pay for my meal. It's $5. Thank you. Ooh, that's really good.
It's cold.
It's cold. It
Yeah.
tastes just right. Can I have a hamburger too? And some French fries, please. What's this?
Double.
More?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yum, yum, yum. You make a good chef, honey. Can I have some salad?
I'll give you some mama right there.
Okay, how about some salad?
That one.
Thank you. You just gonna give me a lot of drinks?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yummy. I'm gonna be so full with all these drinks you've made, Mommy. Can I have something to eat with the drinks?
Yeah.
What are you gonna make for Mommy?
Some mama chicken nuggets.
Some fried rice and chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds yummy.
Yeah, paintball. Fun.
I'm still waiting for my food. Is the worker taking a break to play with his cars?
Yeah.
Are those Mommy's French fries?
Yeah.
It's yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
That is not funny.
Yeah.
Say yes, Mommy.
Yeah.
That's not proper English.
Yeah.